In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Claude with AWS. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna log into our Claude account. Once that's logged in, we're gonna go to the bottom of the page and click on our display icon, and we're gonna click on settings from here. Now here we can either choose to search for connectors at the top, or we can come to customize on the side panel and click on connectors. Now we're gonna go to add and then click on browse connectors, and here we're gonna search for AWS. Now we have AWS MCP, we have the marketplace, and we have the API MCP server. So we're gonna use the MCP. Click on the plus sign. We're gonna choose the region where our account is hosted, and once we choose that, let's choose this for the purpose of this tutorial. We're gonna click on connect, and it's gonna redirect to AWS login page. And here we're gonna have to sign in to AWS. Let's see. Let's connect with Roots. Let's uh, let's create an account. I do not have an active AWS account as of now, but once you connect it and you go back, it will redirect you back to Claude. And once you go to uh, connectors, you should see AWS MCP there, but with a checkmark status this time around. Now that's how to connect AWS with Claude. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.